Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Summary. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Visual Studio Code. Alright, let's open Google Chrome to download it first, and then type Visual Studio Code, hit enter, and then go to this link, or you can click on download over here directly. Yeah, there are multiple versions, and if you use for Windows, you can just go ahead and click Windows version. And then it's going to download the files over here. You wait until the download is done, and then click on folder over here, and then double click on the files to install it. Choose accept over here and click next, and this is the path where you want to install the application or the program. I will use the default one, and then just click next and click next. And I want to show an icon on desktop, so I choose this one. Click next and install. And if you check launch Visual Studio Code and click finish, it will automatically open Visual Studio Code for you. You can close this one. You can close this one, and you will also see the icon on desktop as well. Over here you can choose the theme that you want to use with. If you like to go with dark, you can choose the default one, or if you want light one, you can pick light one. I will choose dark modern. Okay, and then click next section. Over here you just choose marks done. Okay, the good thing about using Visual Studio Code is extension. For example, you can go to extension over here, and you can install multiple extension over here. If you are a Python developer, I highly recommend you install this extension by click on install and wait until it's done, and that is finished. So over here you can install live server to live render HTML as well. For example, if I want to install it, I can install it over here. Okay, and if you go here, there is terminal. You can use terminal over here as well. Here it is installed successfully, and if you go here and if you want to create a new folder, you can open a folder over here, and I will create a folder on desktop over here. I create new folder, sample HTML over here, and select the folder. Okay, it will open the directory for you. I can yes trust, and over here I right click new files and I put index.html. Okay, and then I put h1 hello. We've installed live server already. If we right click on the files over here and click on open with live server, the live server will open web browser and render any files in sample.html. Alright, this is all about this tutorial. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.